Alright, a quick look at my table saw and router and everything I just built or been building. It's router, sanding, router, table saw, and then finishing. Some drawers, cabinet, stuff. I'll show you what's up. Okay, so these guys pop out here, put them in here, put a piece of wood that fits in here or a little bit smaller or wherever, tighten it up, locks down. Oh, here's a piece of wood. Like this. Piece in. Open these guys up. You can use one, two, obviously, but I'm gonna do one to show you. Tighten it in. Now you can sand, and it don't go nowhere. Okay, onto the router here. Oh, I also put a dado on the end of the bench dial on the end of there, so you can do it that way too with the bench vise. Router table. I built this, put it in there. This is pretty sweet router lift. Let's just stick this guy right in here. Turn it, and then move it, and just spin that. Get your height. Then it's got a little dial here for fine adjustments, moving it up and out. So a rail built here. So slide it over. Move what we want. Lock it down, and lock it down. That keeps it true. Table saw. Here's this. So I'm gonna put the end crooked. This can be on there. That's the main problem with saws. So here you go. I spin this dial. That thing will straighten itself right out. Ready? Perfect. And also, if you want to make a cut, just take your red line here, put down there, say 3 inches, tighten it up, 3-inch cut, perfect. To raise it, get a little right here, lay it up. And then, to turn it on, I took these things for cars, just so nobody bumped into it. Put that on there. So I hand built all this stuff. This is just a push stick. Keep it there. Now this is the finishing part. These are all the Kreg clamps. They're all super nice. Oh, anyways, all that stuff comes off, so I could slide, each anything either way. I can take that one all the way to the right, that one all the way to the left, plus all these clamps. These clamps, they slide right off too. So I can get, I can make a cut as big as I want. So this works like this. Just to keep yourself 90. That's what those little blocks are for there. I made all this, recessed it all in. It's just keeps me good here. These are all the Kreg clamps. These are nice. Automatic pressure. They're all locked down. Don't move. Same thing. It's just some dust collection. My holes I got hooked up there. Drawers. digital tools and rulers, cutout foam, slow closers. I didn't cut any of these out yet because I just got that toolbox, so I'm about to figure all that out. None of this stuff's cut out yet either. Same maybe. Oh. And then let's see. Oh, and then I built this here. This is gonna be a bit cabinet. For all my bits, I'm gonna build a big one. This side's gonna be the router cabinet with all the router stuff. It's gonna go in there, all the router bits and whatnot. Not done yet, but let's get an idea. And then this down here. My crosscut sled goes right up on there. Once I move all that stuff out of the way, these gray rails right in my slides right here, right in the two slides. And this is for cross cutting. So you just take this guy, same concept. There's your cut line, wherever you want it, 14 inches. Whack her down. You get the same cut every time. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I still gotta finish this. This is all my Kreg stuff, tools, whatnot. And then I just got this bad boy. Thing's sweet. Redoing everything, but it's coming out good. More to come.